As we bid farewell to 2023, a year that has been both challenging and at times overwhelming, because we saw loss of lives of Kenyans who were exercising their democratic rights to demonstrate, to picket. They were overwhelmed to their graves. But the year has also seen the El Nino phenomenon visited on us again. The elements could not take orders from those in authority because they proclaimed there will be no El Nino. And in fact, even the disbursement of the funds to the counties, they seem to prevaricate, they seem to be confused. As we welcome 2024, I wish fellow Kenyans God's own blessings. Whether we are Christians, Muslims, Hindus, or Kenyans, please keep hope alive. We have only one nation, our motherland, Kenya. Let's work hard to disabuse the country of wrong policies and greed and corruption and hold together, as it were. Happy New Year, God's blessings.